First Metron Princess. Ayan. Then followed by second Metron Princess. Susundan ng Princess of Unity. Pagkahiusa. Sunod na po. Metron Princess of Unity. Then susundan ng Metron Princess of Peace. Then Metron Princess of Hope. Ayan, talagang i-partneran talaga ni Kagawan. Now we are witnessing wanay katapusan, palibot-libot na lang mo din naroon. Okay, so diretso na po tayo sa Royal Dance. Okay.